I'm 9 today.
And he's going to be 9.
Let's go see my presents. I have got my badge.
Helicopter. I'm super excited.
Happy birthday. Right, nothing down it. Confetti cannons. New ones that I've never saw. I got my juggling. Alright. Open presents. Now,
What are you going for first?
with the cards. If I can open it. And space. To Sonny. Happy birthday, Luca. Hold it. I bet you that. It's from Nanos. It has to be from both. This is the last card.
From me.
It is. Checking that I haven't missed any money.
Nah.
Checking I never missed any money.
Woo!
Happy ninth birthday, love, Dad.
Love.
Okay.
Nah.
Ow! Just them. I still have them.
What does this say on the front cover?
To me.
Kill this man.
Alright, nothing in there. Nothing on the second. It's on the fourth page. To Sonny. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. Lots of now.
Big boy
Lots
now.
of love now.
Come on, get into your presents now.
Yeah, I got
Looks
that
like a new game for the Switch. I'm saying it's Fortnite. Get it? Ooh, it's not it's Mario.
It's me, Mario.
Super Mario Odyssey.
Nice.
It's gonna be a fun game.
So is this mine?
Yeah.
This is feeling like a ball right now.
Way! Go for it.
Basketball.
Let's see what's in my present from my dad.
Skateboard. Wow.
Yeah. Look.
Mr. Beast.
This one.
Wait, does this?
Take caps for your gun.
Another one. And a skateboard. What? That's ridiculous. How did I get? Hey, can you get it up?
I'm opening the other game.
It's a football.
Barcelona. Golden ball. This is
Feeling it.
probably one of the colours of the It's Lassies of all this one. Go for the box.
What is it? Let's open it. What?
Walkie-talkies. I know what to do. We play more on the caravan. One of us takes one walkie-talkie, the other takes the other. I'm saying
That one, whatever you guess. That.
Way!
feeling like a skateboard right now.
Maybe it's a hockey stick. Ding, 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 ding. What?
I'm not going.
Yeah.
It's a sniper with whatever this is.
Yeah, the caps for it.
Can't do it right now.
You want another big one? 2 sticks.
I want this one.
I put that one in the big place. Wee, wee, wee.
Whoa! It's like one of those things for us to stand on. And if I do get a skateboard, we can do that.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
That might have extra present there saying skateboard. And of course, squishy like a pom pom. No, it feels like pajamas, but over here it's hard. Water balloon. Water balloon.
We got the
Water balloon. We're going to get it and throw it right in. We can do one like green, like these are the bullets.
Yeah, good idea.
More like lemon, yeah. Oh, I'm just going for it. This is gonna be me.
Oh, that's gonna be me.
Come on, keep going.
Don't know what it is.
Oh,
It's Hyper Dash. Never heard of it.
It's a game.
what game? Not even.
Whoa.
It's an active game that you can play in the garden outside.
Or inside.
I think I know what it is. This one is.
No, save it back for that.
I.
I'm going for this. Feels like clothes. So it could be clothes.
Ah.
You ready for another cannon?
Yes.
Hooray! What is it?
A Minecraft.
How do you do it? Can I help?
Oh,
I don't think you'll be able to do
warm.
it. It's too hard.
Oh, it is so warm.
Which one?
This one.
That one's too skinny, just like me.
He just called himself skinny.
Yes, I am.
Amazon bot.
What's in the Amazon box? Imagine if the box is another box and another box and another box and another box.
Don't get stuck in, Sonny.
I'm going to open the box.
Dad, we need sellotape mines. Do we need the sellotape?
The kids go through. Hero.
Hooray!
This is going to be mine. We can make more videos with this. Luca goes on one part, I go on the other. We used to walkie-talkies. Is it like one of the boxes that dinosaurs usually come in? It is a dinosaur.
What dinosaurs?
Indoraptor. The Indoraptor.
Wow, that's a cool one, isn't it?
What in the world is this?
Oh, that's the card you have to put in your camera for your
Right,
footage.
keep it away from the camera. Right, we've got 3 left.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Yeah!
No.
Oh,
What are we saying? Mojang? Mojang is Minecraft. And Minecraft is the new movie coming off Friday.
so we can watch it by ourselves so Mom had to be one of those people. It's a Minecraft toy.
Creeper night light. It's big. It's big. Massive. Right, I got 2 more.
You choose that.
And 1 in there. So 3. Dominic has this.
Oh,
So
right.
now we've got to be matching. Right, I'm happy now. Wild West. Wait, that's like that. A pistol.
That's the same as mine, bro.
Right, I'm opening this. Feels like a skateboard. Feels like a skateboard. It is. Ooh, gooey skeleton.
Do you want to swap? You can.
No.
Nice that, mate, innit?
Right, I just got to stand on it. And if you go to the short, you'll see me ride on one. I'm standing on this so my feet don't get wet. Glow in the dark dinosaur pajamas.
Can I open it?
Yeah, of
A
course.
tracky pants.
And another tracky.
And t-shirt. It's like the one that I'm wearing right now.
Yeah.
Bigger. Because this one's a bit tight.
You need bigger ones because you're 9 now.
And a jacket.
The bigger one. You're growing out of all your clothes, you're getting too big.
That's one of the roses in the garden.
I've got a message on my phone for you off somebody. You ready?
Yeah.
If I can find it.
Right.
Turn my volume up. You ready?
Yeah.
Just put it in.
Ready, Sonny?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sonny. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sonny.
Thank
You
you.
have a gorgeous day, babe. See you soon.
Okay, you ready for one last confetti cannon? Stand up, Luca. Stand next to Sonny. You ready?
Yeah.
Come on, stand next to Sonny. After 3, say happy birthday.
2, 1, 3.
Way!
1, 2, 3.
Retry.
What's this? Wow. What's the gun in here?
Oh, we've got another card for you. One more card. Here you go, Sonny.
One, very small.
Like you. Oh. Is it small?
And
Oh, what's fell out there?
10.
20 pounds.
Wow,
£10. What's this?
Use it off, Sonny.
Uncle Les.
Say thank you to him because he watches your videos.
Thank you.
Okay, you're going to tidy all this mess up now.
Sonny.
You.
Okay, happy birthday, Sonny. Yay!
Wait, there's another button on it. Wait.
Oh, we get them out in a minute.
Yes.
What?
Oh, nice. Nice little holder. You ready, Sonny? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sonny. Happy birthday to you. Put your candles out, mate.
Magic.
Happy birthday. Nice.
Let me try.
Come on then.
Where did he bite?
Just bite with his bum.
Bro, take a huge chunk.
Happy birthday, mate.